So today we're going to show you a video about how to make fried Indomie noodle.
And here are the ingredients.
Here are the kitchen utensils.
First, take out your Indomie from your cabinet and tear it off. First, pour 1.5 glass of water to the pan. Then, put the pan to the stove and wait it until it's boiled. Then, put the Indomie noodle to the pan until it's soft.
While the noodle is being boiled, crack the egg into a bowl. Don't forget to stir the noodle.
If the noodle is soft enough, you can rinse the noodle. And then chop the chili. After that, you can chop grate onion. And then chop the sausage.
Turn on the stove and then pour the oil into the pan. After that, place the sausage, chili, and dried onion into the pan. Next, stir them all together. Wait until the sausage turns brownish. Scramble the egg and then pour the egg into the pan and then mix it.
Udah belum? Udah. Masukin ke ini. Ya, ke pan-pan itu. Langsung aja. Iya.
Bikin omelet apa gimana sih ini?
Aduk-aduk aja. Aduk-aduk. And then mix the egg.
After it is well enough, you can put it on the plate.
Sorry.
And then put the Indomie noodle to the pan. And then tear up the sachet of the Indomie.
Stop.
Then
Enggak.
tear up the sachet again and mix the noodle. And then put the Indomie to the plate. Congratulations, your Indomie is ready to be served.